The beginning of the end of a pandemic? That's how the director of the intensive care unit at JFK Medical Center described the first COVID vaccine doses given to frontline healthcare workers at the hospital.
It was, in fact, history in the making, and WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Casada was there to capture it all.
The initial question always, what did it feel like?
Didn't hurt at all, felt great.
But then it's, what does it feel like?
Mostly just excited that I got it and excited that maybe this is gonna end soon.
First-year ER nurse at JFK Medical Center in Atlantis, Taylor Troyan, the first to get the Moderna COVID vaccine at the hospital. Her proud boss watching and crying on the sidelines.
It's a big weight lifted off of us right now to be getting the vaccine.
And Krista Hawkinson, the director of the ER at the hospital.
Okay, and just find a station.
Okay.
About to experience it for herself.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, we did it. I imagine it's a mix of like happiness, sadness.
It is. It's been hard. It's been really, really hard to watch and to participate in.
ER and ICU staff are the first to get vaccinated at the hospital.
COVID-19 vaccinations will continue every day until the hospital runs out of the first shipment of doses. Staff members who are opting to get the vaccine have the following day off in case they experience any symptoms.
Dr. Adam Friedlander, director of ICU at JFK, says the toll the pandemic has taken on staff is devastating.
Yeah, well, you've seen this grown man break down and cry, and that's okay. And with my team, my nurses, my respiratory therapists, the rest of the intensivists, everybody else in the ICU with his patients, we've all cried together. We've laughed together to relieve the crying. We've celebrated our victories. We've despair about our defeats. But it's not just here. It's our brothers and sisters across the world who have been facing this now for nearly a year.
In 28 days, they will get the second vaccine dose, a light at the end of a dark tunnel, as they say. And now the question is, what's next?
It's a present. And hopefully in, 30 days I'll be able to see my parents without being scared.
Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.